Hello, poetry lovers. Here is a short poem, Nurturing Nature, written by me and published in a Voices from the Edge, this book. So I will just read out a few lines of my poetry, Nurturing Nature. Nature is versatile in nature, the most powerful as rocks, carved in different shapes by ever changing time. The cool and calm ice dwelling on the peaks of mountains, ready to melt to form waterfall and flowing stream. The wide and unlimited blue sky with wandering clouds, having lots of tears in eyes, ready to fall on the earth and quench its thirst. I hope you enjoyed the lines. Happy nature watching. Thank you.